Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best plastic super glue is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable adhesives available, capable of bonding a vast array of materials with incredible speed and strength, making it an essential tool for everything from quick household repairs and intricate crafting projects to demanding industrial applications where precision and durability are paramount. Number 5. Loctite Super Glue Ultra Gel Control 2-Pack. Meet the Loctite Super Glue Ultra Gel Control. It's designed for precision and durability in all your projects. This super glue is rubber toughened, making it resistant to water, impact, and shock. It's built to last through daily use in harsh conditions. The no-mess formula is perfect for vertical applications. You won't have to worry about drips or runs. Achieve maximum control with its patented easy side squeeze bottle. Apply it exactly where you need it, every time. It works on a wide variety of surfaces, including leather, china, wood, metal, and hard plastics. It's your go-to for many different materials. The gel formula sets without clamping and dries transparently. It's perfect for office, home, hobby, and crafting projects. What we like. This super glue is incredibly durable, resisting impact and water for items that see a lot of use. Its no-drip formula makes it perfect for vertical repairs. If you need a tough, mess-free adhesive for demanding projects, this is the one for you. What people say. This glue is incredibly strong and durable, holding my projects together for years. The precision applicator allows for exact placement, preventing messy drips and waste. It dries clear, making it ideal for transparent materials where a seamless finish is desired. Number 4. B7000 Adhesive Rhinestones Glue Kit. Discover the upgraded B7000 Glue Kit, your all-in-one solution for all your crafting needs. It includes everything you need to bring your creative visions to life. Experience unparalleled precision with its anti-clogging cap and ultrafine tip. Apply glue exactly where you need it, for intricate designs and delicate applications. This professional-grade adhesive offers high-strength viscosity for a firm, reliable bond. It dries clear, remains non-yellowing, and is both strong and waterproof for durable creations. Get started quickly with a fast drying time of just 3 minutes at room temperature. For maximum strength, allow it to cure completely within 24 to 48 hours. From cell phones and jewelry to nail art and fabric, this multipurpose glue works on a wide variety of surfaces and materials. It's perfect for any DIY project you can imagine. Enhance your crafting experience with the included precision tools. A wax pencil, tweezers, and dotting pens help you handle small gems and control glue application with ease. What we like. This adhesive offers a strong, flexible bond that stays clear over time and is waterproof. It comes with a full kit of tools for precise application, making it ideal for detailed work. If you're into jewelry making, nail art, or intricate crafts, this glue and its included tools will be your best friend. What people say. The glue is very strong and durable. It dries clear and leaves no visible residue. The applicator tip allows for precise application. Number 3. Scotch Super Glue Gel 2-Pack. Introducing Scotch Super Glue Gel. This powerful adhesive dries quickly, providing a permanent hold for your projects. Enjoy a strong, lasting bond with its easy-to-use formula. It's designed for convenience, both in application and storage. This glue is perfect for a wide range of materials including wood, metal, rubber, leather, ceramics, plastic, and glass. Please note that it is not suitable for polystyrene foam, foam rubber, polyethylene, or polypropylene. This product comes in a convenient 2-pack, with each tube containing 0.7 ounces of glue. Trust in its quick drying and permanent hold capabilities for all your repair and crafting needs. What we like. This super glue dries fast and provides a permanent hold, perfect for quick fixes around the house. It's easy to use and store, making it a convenient choice for everyday repairs. If you need a reliable, no-fuss glue for various materials and appreciate simplicity, this 2-pack is a great option. What people say. This super glue is incredibly strong and bonds quickly, making repairs fast and durable. The precision applicator tip allows for accurate application, preventing messy spills and ensuring a clean finish. It works on a variety of materials, including plastic, metal, and rubber, offering great versatility for different repair needs. Number 2. Loctite Super Glue Professional Liquid. Experience superior performance with our heavy-duty cyanoacrylate super glue. It works faster and holds stronger on more surfaces than ordinary adhesives. Achieve a super strength bond in just 15 to 30 seconds. No clamping is required, making your repairs fast and easy. Our extra-long, pinpoint nozzle provides precise application exactly where you need it. The patented cap prevents spillage and clogging. This adhesive works well on a variety of surfaces, including leather, china, wood, rubber, metal, and hard plastics. The liquid formula sets quickly and dries transparent, ensuring invisible repairs for all your projects. What we like. This heavy-duty adhesive works faster and holds stronger than standard glues, setting in seconds without clamping. Its extra-long nozzle allows for precise application in tight spots. If you're looking for a powerful, quick-setting glue for professional or demanding repairs, this liquid formula is an excellent choice. What people say. This glue is incredibly strong and durable, holding up well even under stress. The applicator tip allows for precise application, preventing messy spills and ensuring a clean bond. It dries clear, making it ideal for repairs where aesthetics are important, leaving no visible residue. Number 1. Gorilla Super Glue Gel, Clear, Fast-Setting Adhesive. Tired of messy drips? Our thick gel formula is designed to stay put, making it perfect for vertical surfaces where liquid glues just can't handle it. From glass and metal to wood and leather, this all-purpose adhesive is formulated for almost any project or repair. It's your go-to for a strong, reliable bond. Achieve a discreet and professional look. This clear adhesive dries invisibly, ensuring your repairs and projects look their best without the glue being the focus. Keep your adhesive ready for next time. Our special anti-clog cap prevents drying out, ensuring it stays tough and usable after every application. Get your projects done quickly. This adhesive dries in as little as 10 to 45 seconds, eliminating the need for cumbersome clamps and saving you valuable time. What we like. This gel formula is thick and won't run, making it perfect for vertical surfaces where liquid glues fail. It bonds a wide range of materials quickly and dries clear for a discreet finish. If you need a versatile, easy-to-control glue for various projects and repairs, especially on tricky surfaces, this is the one to grab. What people say. This super glue is incredibly strong and durable, holding my projects together securely. The precision applicator tip allows for accurate application, preventing messy drips and waste. It dries quickly, which is great for fast-paced crafting and repairs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.